Hello friends, we have got 7 mothers. So regarding these 7 mothers, I have one verse. That verse is Atma Mata Guru Patni Brahmani Raj Patnika Dhenur Dhatri Tatha Prithvi Shabda Eva Matra Smarta. Translation: Atma Mata, our own biological mothers. Guru Patni, the wife of Guru. Brahmani, the wife of Brahman. Rajapatnika, the wife of king. Dhenu, the cow. Dhatri, the nurse. Tatha Prithvi, Prithvi, the earth. Sapta eva matra smarta. These all 7 considered as a mother of ones, mother of man. So I'm just emphasizing on cows, and this verse is spoken by Kautilya, Chanakya Pandit. Everybody knows about the Chanakya Pandit. So what is the situation of cows nowadays? Very pathetic, very pathetic. If we discuss about at the time of Dwapar Yuga, when Lord Krishna was present here physically, at that time his foster father Nanda Maharaj, he had 9 lakhs cows. So just by hearing this information, we can think how much cow had importance in that time. And nowadays we have forgotten cow and importance of cow, everything. When I go outside, I observe the stray animals, also cows. Means nobody is caring about cows, what she is eating, what she is drinking. Nobody has that business to take care of cow, to know what she is eating, what she is drinking. Everybody just want milk, and who is giving milk? Cow is giving milk. So nobody just want to care cows, but everybody wants milk, pure ghee. So this is our responsibility to take care of cow. And unfortunately, this India land is ruled by so many kings, and among that kings, few kings were very brutal and very demoniac mentality. They took the milk from cow. At the same time, they killed cow, and they ate the flesh of mother cow, for their son's gratification. And that trend is still going on. Still there are cow slaughters in our country and outside the country, but nobody is raising voice, nobody is taking any step. So this is our responsibility. So if we ask anyone, okay, do something, everybody has their own problem, their own excuses. I have no time, I have this kind of job, I have that kind of job, so what can I do? If one cannot do anything, at least there are few people who are taking a step to do this kind of things, doing a startup of Gosala, running Gosala, like this. So if everybody cannot do, because everybody has their own interest. Somebody is interested in job and another things. So if you cannot do that thing, at least use cow product. You can purchase cow product, ghee, milk, and lots of things are there which made up of cow dung, cow urine. We can use that thing, apart from using another things in which there is a chemicals. So it's better to use cow products. So in this way we can help mother cow. Means it's better to use cow product rather than giving donation of any Goshala or anything. Means one hand we are giving Gosala, and second hand we are purchasing another item. So what is the meaning of this kind of donation? Don't donate, at least use a product of mother cow. Then only we can save our cow and also save ourselves. Thank you very much.